It's time to switch up how you move with Vivofit 3, the all-in-one activity tracker that counts steps, monitors sleep, and keeps collecting data for up to 1 year with no charging required. This video will show you how to get started using your Vivofit 3. After pairing your device, put it on your wrist and make sure it's secure. To do this, turn the clasp to the locked position. You'll know if the clasp is unlocked because a red line appears. You've already used the device button, the button underneath the screen, to pair your device and sync data. But it's also the button you'll use to scroll through the screens. Each screen has an icon which represents all the different features you have right at your fingertips. Press the device button to scroll through the different icons which appear at the bottom of the screen. They'll show you the number of steps you've taken that day, the amount of steps you still need to reach your daily goal, the calories you've burned, and more. By holding the device button, you have the ability to scroll through your menu options. From here, you'll be able to start and stop a timed activity, manually sync data with your Garmin Connect account, and more. Don't forget, Vivofit 3 is going to challenge you to be on the move as much as possible. Keep an eye out for the Move bar on the home screen, which will appear after 1 hour of inactivity. When you see that red bar, go for a short walk to reset it. It's just one way Vivofit 3 is designed to remind you to make fitness a priority during your busy day. Are you ready for more movement and reminders to stay active? Then you're going to love Vivofit 3. Vivofit 3 is ready to track your activity as well as your inactivity. It will help you meet your fitness goals and be tuned into your health, even when you're not in the middle of a workout.